Okay, I'm now going to show you how to attach a different kind of quick release onto a mount. So this one has got a piece here that rotates, and then the front bit also rotates, so it enables you to reposition the device if you need to. So we would slot this bit onto the pole, just get it to roughly the height that you need, and then we would tighten up with the screw at the back to keep it in that position. You get your Allen key, just tighten that. We then need to tighten up this front bit as well to make sure that it doesn't wobble around. So again, if you get it in roughly an upright position, and then tighten firstly this screw here, that should hold it in place. And then what you might need to do is do a little bit of adjustment once you have seen what the device looks like when it's on.